Did you know that honeybees might have one of the hardest jobs in nature? Imagine waking up every day and your entire life is dedicated to working. Not for yourself, not for your family, but for a giant colony of 50,000 co-workers. A single honeybee hive can contain up to 50,000 bees, and every single one of them has a job. Actually, multiple jobs. Your life begins inside a tiny wax cell. First, you're an egg, then a larva, and finally, a worker bee. Oops, sorry, but there's one small detail. Worker bees only live about 6 weeks. Which means your entire life is basically a 6-week work shift. And during those 6 weeks, you'll perform several different jobs. Cleaner, nurse, builder, guard, and finally, forager. 5 jobs. Your first job is cleaning the hive. Every cell must be spotless. Because if the hive gets dirty, disease spreads quickly. Next, you become a nurse bee. Your job is to feed and care for developing larvae. Thousands of them, every single day. At the center of the hive lives the queen, the most important bee in the colony. She can lay up to 2,000 eggs every single day. Then there are the drones, male bees whose only job is to mate with the queen. That's it.
That's their whole job?
Yes, but there's a catch. After mating, the drone dies. Worker bees also build the hive itself. Using wax produced from their own bodies, they construct perfect hexagons, a shape that stores the most honey using the least material. To produce honey, bees must collect nectar from flowers. One bee may visit thousands of flowers in a single day. And to make just 1 jar of honey, the colony must fly a combined distance equal to several trips around the Earth. Wow! But how do bees tell each other where flowers are? They perform something called the waggle dance, a special movement that communicates direction and distance. Bees see the world differently from humans. They can detect ultraviolet light, which reveals secret patterns on flowers, patterns that guide them directly to nectar. At peak hours, thousands of bees leave and return to the hive every minute, which makes the airspace around a hive extremely crowded. But the outside world is dangerous. Spiders, dragonflies, and of course, birds. Many animals consider bees a perfect snack. To protect the hive, guard bees stand at the entrance, checking every visitor.
ID, please. Next.
And when a honeybee stings a mammal, something tragic happens. Its stinger gets stuck in the skin, and the bee dies shortly after. But despite the danger, bees perform one of the most important jobs on Earth: pollination. Around 1/3 of the food humans eat depends on pollinators like bees. Without bees, many crops would disappear. Fruits, vegetables, nuts. Entire ecosystems would struggle. A worker bee spends her entire short life flying, collecting nectar, building honeycomb, and helping the colony survive.
I really need a vacation.
So the next time you see a honeybee buzzing past you, remember that tiny insect is part of a massive system, working tirelessly to keep nature running.
Also, if you could stop stealing our honey, that would be great.
No promises.